Now what do I do when I'm rendering snake fat? I cook up mushrooms. You just wash them off and then brush clean. You don't want to ever soak these in water because they'll absorb all the water. And you just basically take this end down here, the stick, and just shave that off so it's thin or whatever. Then just cut them into strips like that. Throw them in some butter. We'll add a little garlic salt. A little bit of onion powder. A lot of onion powder, I guess. Black pepper. And some pink salt. Sea salt, actually. And here comes the kicker. We're putting some soy sauce to her. Then she'll go right on the fire. Fry them up quick. It only takes a few minutes on each side to cook these. Depends how you like them, either fried, thick, or thin, doesn't matter. I'm going to let these get a little crispy. That's because that's just the way I like them. There we go. Just the way I like them. Take a little taste test here. Tastes just like chicken. Now I'm going to take these, put them in here. We're going to eat them just like that. I'm going to cook another batch up, put in my spaghetti with meatballs. Walk this way. Now this batch here won't have any soy sauce in it, but I am going to load her up with some garlic powder, black pepper. There's already butter in it. Onion. That's onion salt there. And a little bit of pink sea salt. Just a little bit. This will be going into the pasta. Water's ready. Put in the pasta. getting that. Now remember, there's no soy sauce in this batch. This is going directly into the pasta. Yes, and meatballs are going in it too. So now it goes into the store-bought meatballs. Got the meatballs and mushrooms all on there. Gonna add a can of tomato sauce. Swirl that around a little bit. Soak that up a little bit. Now we got that all warmed up, soaked in. Now it's time for the pasta. Okay, and there we have it. Chicken of the woods, mushrooms, pasta, and meatballs over a campfire.